It's just your mind. A gong creates sensations in the body and in the mind. Yes? That produces thoughts, that produces ideas, that produces concept. And you've come up with this concept. Pure consciousness is like space. Whatever I do in this space, can I stain this space? Can I touch it? Can I taste it, smell it? Can I make it dirty? I cannot touch it. It's untouchable. It's unreachable. And yet it is all around me. It is all around you. We are in different countries, but it's the same space. Similarly, is the pure consciousness. It is everywhere. Yes? So consciousness contains space. You can say that. Yeah. The space has an outer container, maybe you can call it, and that is the consciousness. I'm just saying it as a metaphor. Everything is in this consciousness, and you cannot know the consciousness. How many ever sounds you make, whatever you do, you will not be able to know, just like you cannot know the space more than know the space. Yes? Only this much you can know. That sense of knowing. That's it. That which knows, that which witnesses everything. That's it. More than that, impossible. So don't try to go into all these things and pull up books. They don't work. Yeah, lots of people have tried a lot and failed. Yeah. So the final truth is that I can only experience only so much, and that is the knowingness that I know. That's it.